Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. As you can probably tell by the videos on my channel, I am quite partial to a mystery box, and today I'm going to be unboxing an Instagram mystery box. This is the box that I've got. Ignore the sticker, it was just to cover up my address on the box. But this is a beauty box by TAMMY, and I kept seeing this advertised all over Instagram, so naturally I checked the website out and decided to purchase one of the mystery boxes. Just to give a bit of a background, this was a £10 box, and it does say on the website that the RRP of the items will be around £20. There are other boxes as well, so a £20 box, a £50 box. And what I also did quite like is that there are like some special edition boxes. So there's a box where you're guaranteed to get a full-size Juvia's Place item, a Colourpop item, there's a P. Louise one, a KVD one, and a Charlotte Tilbury one. They are a little bit more expensive, but you still get other items along with the full-size item from the brand that you've picked. But really, I thought for £10, I didn't really have anything to lose. So keep watching and I will unbox my mystery box and see what's inside. So just opening up the box, there's just the invoice in here. Here is the box, so it's all really nicely packaged up in this purple tissue paper. So I'll just peel off the sticker, and then there's all this kind of shredded paper as well, I suppose just for added protection. So the first thing I can see in here, this is really sweet actually. So there's just this little card here and a little packet of love hearts. So it says Beauty Box by TAMMY. Thanks for your order, and then just the details for the Facebook and the Instagram page. What I'll do as well is I will pop all the details in the description, so if you do want to check out the boxes, then you can do so. But yeah, I think that's a really nice little personalised touch that you wouldn't get in other boxes. I'll just have a root around and see what products are in here. It didn't say on the website how many individual items there would be, just that the £10 box would have RRP of £20. And the first item I've pulled out is actually this lippy pencil from Colourpop. So this is a really nice coral colour. I don't know if it says the shade. I think it's shade Absolute Zero. So that looks like a really pretty coral, and I don't actually have any lip products from Colourpop. I really love their eyeshadow palettes. I do have a few of those, but haven't tried out any of their lip products. I will just have a quick look actually on the website just to see how much this RRP is for. I will do this for all of the items in the box just to see whether it is worth £20 or not. Okay, so all of the Colourpop lippy pencils actually retail for $6. So I'll say that's about £6, obviously, because if you ordered Colourpop, you'd have to pay your customs and your fees and everything. So far, pretty good, considering the box only cost £10. The second item in my beauty box by TAMMY is another lip product, and this time we have got the LA Girl Lipify Stylo One Swipe Intense Creamy colour lipstick, and this is in the shade Dreamer. So this looks like quite a nice nude shade. I've actually really been needing a new nude lipstick, so this could be the one. So here's it out. It looks like a really lovely shade. I will just swatch it on my hand just to have a look. Quite a creamy lipstick, and that is the shade. So yeah, it looks like a really pretty nude lipstick shade. I haven't actually tried any products from LA Girl, so I don't really have any good or bad expectations of this brand. Again, a nude lipstick is definitely a staple item, and I have been meaning to get a new one, so yeah, this could be the one. I have also had a look to see how much this lipstick RRPs for, and it is actually £5 if you were to buy this online. So far with the two lip items, the RRP is £11. So we've already covered the cost of the box and just, I suppose, £9 left worth of products to cover for the full £20. but I'll just have a look and see what the next item is. The third item I have pulled out of my beauty box by Tammy is a winged wand liner, and this is from the brand MUA Makeup Academy, and I do really like a few of their products. So I have one of their concealers, which is definitely my go-to. I've got a pencil eyeliner, I've got a foundation, and all of those products are really great, and they're also really affordable. So this, I've had a quick look online, this is £3. So that not only is a really good price, I think, for a liner, but takes the value of the items in this box to £14. But it says for this liner, a unique felt liner with a paddle tip, allowing for thick and thin lines, perfect for winged effects. And I do really prefer these felt tip liners over like a more liquid eyeliner. I feel that I get better precision and just more control, and end up making less mess really with a felt liner. So this is what the liner looks like. So you can see it's got a really unique tip actually. So I'm guessing you can do it obviously one way for a thin line and the other way for a thicker line. I've never seen this on a felt liner before, and just to demonstrate on my hand, that is obviously the thick part of the paddle and that is the thinner parts of the paddle, so very different. And yeah, I just haven't seen this on a liner before, so definitely will be excited to give this a go and see how I get on with it. It does seem like it's dried quite quickly, which is also really good for a liner. There's nothing worse than trying to hold your eye open for ages whilst you wait for it to dry. So yeah, this probably would be something that if I'd seen online I would have picked up anyway. So definitely another really great product. I think from rooting around there is one more item left, so I will just grab that now and have a look at it. And this is the final item in my mystery box. First of all, I really like how well packaged this is. It does feel really safe and secure. So far nothing has been damaged, so definitely good packaging. I think I can tell what this is through the bubble wrap, but I will just unwrap it. Okay, as I suspected, this is an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Revolution Courage Wild Animal palette. And first of all, I love this packaging. I think it's really, really fun. I'm assuming it's going to be like neutral shades, but I haven't actually seen this palette on Revolution before. I do own a few of their palettes and quite a lot of their other makeup products. It's definitely a brand that I really, really highly rate. So I'm definitely not disappointed whatsoever with this being in my box. I'll just see if I can get into it and we can have a look at the shades. So it's just in this cardboard sleeve, and then taking it out, this is the palette. So just mirrored to the outer packaging with the animal print on here. It has got on the back just some details for the shades, but hasn't got any names, it just has numbers. Oh, definitely very different to what I expected. So as with all Revolution palettes, there is a really huge mirror, and these are the shades. Now, I'm quite surprised with all of these pinky purple shades and even this more green shade here. I really thought that this was going to be a brown and gold and quite neutral palette, but I'm really, really pleased with this. It looks like we've got a really good amount of shimmers. There are a few matte shades in here, but I would say it is more shimmers than mattes. I don't know whether the camera picks it up, but some of these shades have got kind of the animal print embossed in them. But this is a really gorgeous palette. I really, really like the shades here, giving me actually a bit of a reminder of the Garden Variety palette from Colourpop, just with the mixture of the greens and the pinks. I have had a look online to see how much this RRP is for, and this palette actually costs £10. So all of the items in this box RRP at £24. So it has actually exceeded what the website said the value of the items would be. So don't forget, I paid £10 for this box. I got told it would be worth 20 and it's actually worth 24. I'm really, really happy with the 4 items that I've received in this box. What's really great as well is that they are 4 items that I would definitely use. I know the risk, obviously, with any mystery box is that you may receive items that you're not too fussed about, but I can honestly say that all 4 of these items I will definitely use, and I'm really excited to use. Definitely interested to trying out that eyeliner with its paddle end, and definitely excited to create some really fun looks with the eyeshadow palettes. From my experience of Beauty Box by Tammy, I would highly recommend giving one of the boxes a go. I think because my experience has been so positive with the £10 box, it would definitely make me more likely now to go ahead and maybe pick one of the more expensive boxes, or one of the boxes that's got a specific branded item in. So for example, I've always really wanted to try out Juvia's Place, but it is a bit more difficult to get hold of in the UK. You can get a mystery box on the website with a Juvia's Place item in. Also, it is worth saying on the website, you can also buy individual makeup items. So she does sell Colourpop items, Juvia's Place, lots of other bits and bobs that you would have to order from America, you know, if you were outside of the States. And sometimes you don't want to just order one thing from Colourpop and then A, have to wait for it to arrive, and B, pay all your customs and fees and ridiculous shipping. And the prices are also really reasonable on her website. Please let me know whether you've tried out any of these products, and if so, which your favourite is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you again in my next video.